Let me introduce OpenClaw. It is an open-source AI gateway that runs locally on your machine. One command installs it, it encrypts your API keys, routes between providers automatically, and gives you a single endpoint for Claude, GPT Gemini, and more. No more juggling API keys across apps, no more vendor lock-in. Developers are excited because OpenClaw turns the multi-model problem into a solved problem. I built ClawPad because OpenClaw needed a proper workspace, a native macOS app, not a browser tab that gives you persistent conversations, project organization, and rich editing. I use ClawPad every day to build ClawPad itself. Let me show you what it can do. The OpenClaw gateway runs locally and ClawPad monitors it in real time. If it goes down, ClawPad restarts it automatically. Let me create a project. I will call it ClawPad Dev because that is what I actually use this for. Every topic gets its own AI session, conversation history, and file context. Watch the sidebar update. Now let me ask the AI to help fix a real bug. I will type a question about the intro overlay and watch the AI stream back a complete answer with formatted code. This is a real conversation happening right now. Need a second opinion? Switch models instantly. Watch me go from Claude to GPT-4 and ask a follow-up question. Each model sees the same conversation history and project context. Here is what makes ClawPad powerful. Every message carries your full project context, your files, your conversation history, and even relevant snippets from other projects. Watch the AI reference our earlier discussion automatically. Remember that solution you found weeks ago in a different project? ClawPad does. Its search engine finds relevant messages across all your projects instantly. Let me search for our overlay discussion. ClawPad connects to your existing messaging channels through OpenClaw, Telegram, Discord, Line, Slack, WhatsApp. Set up once, and all your AI conversations sync automatically across devices. No separate apps needed. Make it yours. 9 built-in themes transform your workspace instantly, from deep midnight blues to artist-inspired palettes like Monet's Water Lilies. Watch the entire app change in real time. Developers can use ClawPad as an API server, send messages, manage projects, switch models, and automate workflows through 40 REST endpoints on port 18799. This entire video was made using the remote API. ClawPad is built for power users. Arrow keys recall your input history, drag and drop shares files, and you can export entire conversations as Markdown. This is a workspace, not just a chat box. Ready to try it? Download ClawPad for free at clawpad.ai. One command sets up OpenClaw, and your AI conversations are organized forever. I built this because I needed it. I think you will too.